Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to have fun with animals. Let's find the missing pieces and put them back in the puzzle. Let's start with these colorful boxes. The first one is the orange box. Let's see which animal is hiding in there. I see a lot of orange shapes, and among these shapes we found the first piece. Now let's search for the second piece. Let's see what's inside here. I see a lot of blue shapes, but no puzzle piece in there. Let's try on the green box. Let's tip it out. Here it is, I can see. We found the second puzzle piece. Now let's put them together and we have the elephant. Elephants are the world's largest animal. They love to swim, bathe, and play in rivers. Elephants live in families called herds. Elephants only eat plants, grass, and fruit. Now let's put it in the right place. Right there! Great job! Okay, we are looking for the second animal of the puzzle and it should be there. Oh, we found the first piece. It's the head. Now we have to find the second piece. It's hiding really well. I think I feel something. Let's see. Oh, here it is. We found it. Now let's put them together. And here we have the lion. Lions are often known as the king of the jungle. But lions don't actually live in the jungle. They live in the savannah or grasslands. Lions usually live in groups of 10 or 15 animals called prides. Now we put it in the right spot, right here. Great! What a beautiful house! Let's see what's in there. Let's tip it out. I see a lot of shapes and numbers, but... wait a moment, I see something. We found a puzzle piece. It's the head. It should be another one right here. Yeah, here it is. It's the body. Now let's put them together. And here we have the... giraffe, right! Giraffes are the world's tallest living land animals. Did you know that giraffes can survive 2 or 3 days without drinking water? That's because they get their water from their food and dew on the plants. Okay, I think it goes here. Nice! I see there are color cups. Let's open the first one. There's something right there. Oh, it's the first piece of the puzzle. Great job! Now let's open the yellow one. And, nothing there. Let's open this blue one. And, great! I think we found it. It's the second piece. Now let's put them together. And here we have the bear, right! The most common bear is the brown bear. Brown bears are called grizzly bears. And here is an amazing fact you wouldn't expect from a grizzly bear. As big as they are, grizzly bears are also fast and can run up to 30 miles an hour. Now we put it in the right spot. Where? Here, right there. A truck is coming. It has a lot of colored balls. Let's tip it out. Ooh, I think we found another animal. Here is the first piece. It's the face. What a cute animal. And here we have the second piece. Let's put them together and we have the fox, right? The fox is a cunning animal that lives in forests and countryside. It has a long, tapered muzzle, pointed ears, and a bushy tail. A fun fact about foxes: they use their long, bushy tail to keep warm in cold weather. Imagine like a cozy scarf. Now that we found another animal, let's put it back in the puzzle. Wow! A basket full of fruit and vegetables. Let's see where the last animal is hiding. It should be there. Yes, I think we found it. Here is the first piece of the puzzle. And Yeah, here is the second piece of the puzzle. Which animal is going to be? Let's find out. Yeah, we have an alligator. An alligator is a large reptile that lives in lakes, rivers, swamps, and ponds. It has a long snout and sharp teeth. Fun fact: alligators can communicate with each other by making low and deep sounds. Okay, there is only one spot left for the alligator, so we put it here. Nicely done! Congratulations! We completed the puzzle together! Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we have such a board with numbers. Let's go and find the missing number on the puzzle. Let's take the first number and let's find all the shapes. It's number 1. Where should I put it? No. Again no. Right. Number 1. Let's find number 2. Oh, right, it's number 2. Let's put it here. Next, number 3. Let's find this number. Nice, it's number 3. Great. Next, we need to find the number 4. Oh, nice, it's number 4. Very good. Next, let's see where the number 5 is. Oh, awesome! It's number 5. Let's put in here. Let's see where the next number is. Let's find it. Can you see it? Oh, nice! It's number 6. Let's put it here. Now, let's find the next number. Where is it? Oh, nice! You found it. It's number 7. Next number is number 8. Where is it? Oh yes, it's number 8. Nice. Let's see where the next number is. Can you see it? Whoa, nice. It's number 9. Alright. Well, let's find its shape. Very good, it's number 10. Well, now let's find the next number. Where is this number? Can you see it? Oh, right, it's number 11. Very good. Next, we need to find the number 12. Can you see it? Alright, it's number 12. We put it here. Okay, what about the next one? We need to find this shape. Maybe this? Very good! It's number 13. And now we need to find this shape. Can you see this shape? Not here. Here! It's number 14. Nice! Let's find this shape. Where is it? Great! It's number 15. Nice! Now next, where is this shape? Let's find it. Yes! Where should I put it? Not here. Yes, here! It's number 16. Great! Okay, now let's go next. Where is this number? Maybe this? Alright, it's number 17. Let's put it here. Very good. Now number 18. Yes, you're right. We found number 18. Now number 19. Wow, nice. Let's put it here. And now the last number. It's number 20. Let's find it. Alright, it's number 20. Great! And now let's find this shape. It's the plus sign. Wow, we found this shape. It's the plus sign. Let's put it here. Next, we need to find the last two shapes. First is the minus sign. No? Yes, we found it. It's the minus sign. And the last one is the equal signs. You're right, let's put it here. Wow, we complete the puzzle. Now, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, plus sign, minus sign, and equal signs. Wow, very good! Thanks for helping me. Subscribe to the channel and press like.